What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do web scraping. So what is web scraping? Web scraping is just a extraction of data from a website. So how can we do that? So for that we will use a Jupyter notebook. So I have installed it. Let me open it. Jupyter notebook. Let's create a new file, Python file. Let's name it scrapping. And for that, first we will import request, requests, requests. After that we will import beautiful soap. So for that what you have to do is open command prompt, pip install bs4. Okay, so I have already installed it, that's why. So after installing that, simply bs from bs4 we will import beautiful soap, Beauti. Okay, after that guys, what you have to do is we want to extract, we want to give the link of the website for from which we want to extract the data. So for the basic thing, as we are starting now, I will use this website example.com. Okay, here's the link of this website, you can search it. And then what you have to do is store it in a variable request dot get, and here type the URL. After that what we do is create another variable, let's name it con. This is used to print the HTML code, ext dot content, and simply print it, and the HTML code of this website will get printed. The another way is to do is go to the website and right click and go to this inspect. You will get this HTML code, okay, line by line, and it is more useful. Okay, so after that guys, when we extract it, let's create another variable, let's name it soap equals to beauti, beautiful soap. Okay, and con comma html dot parser. What it will do is it will arrange it in more systematic way, in a more beautiful way. Okay, so if I print this, print soap dot prettify, prettify. Let's see what we get. Here you can see the HTML is more arranged now, you can see that. Okay, so we have extracted the data. Now it's time to extract, to scrap the data from this HTML code. So how can we do that? For that, let's create a variable, let's name it all equals to soap dot find underscore html all, and type the name of the tag which you want to find. Let's say we want to find this div tag, and simply type here div. It will return, it will return all the div tags present in this HTML code. Here you can see here is one, and here is the other one which is empty. Okay, here we have find it that. Now one more thing is that, guys, if you want more clear, let's say you want only this tag, the first div. Okay, so for that what you can do is you can type index 0 and you want it just text of this tag. So what you can do is simply type text. If you run this, you will only get the text, sorry. In this way you can get only text. Let's remove it for now. After that, guys, if you want both of them and in a much better way, for what you can do is you can use a for loop for item in all variable print item dot find all, oops, find all, and we want to extract paragraphs of this headers. Okay, the this paragraph and this paragraph. Okay, so for that we have to take this p variable here, p tag, sorry. Due to this sound I am unable to concentrate, but please manage it. Then type the index here, let it be 0, and then text, put like this. And if you print this, okay, we got an error. Okay, guys, so I got the error. What you have to do is you have to remove this all from here, and if I try to run it, you will get this both paragraph. You can see here like this. If we do like this, we got an error. Okay, here you can see we got both the paragraphs. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. In the next video I will tell you how you can extract data from various websites, like how you can create a real estate web scrapper. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon if you are loving my videos. It will really help me. Okay, so thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.